Okay, so in order to do this, so I want to increase this by adding the increased amount to $20, right? And so the rest of these others down here, number 2 and number 3. So we see that this is, in the first question, this is 10%, right? So that's 10 over 100. So you're multiplying this by 20, the original amount. And this becomes what? 200 over 100, right? So then this becomes what? $2. So that's the increased amount. So then you add this increased amount to $20. And then this becomes what? 22. Now the other way to look at this, right, you can notice that what 20 is just going to be what 100%. That's as much as you have, right? So you increase this by 10%. So it's going to be 110, right? It's 100 plus 10, so that's 10%, right? Over 100 times what? $20, your original amount, right? And then this is going to be equal to 2200 over 100. And then this becomes what? 22, right? And another way to look at this, like to see that this is 22, is that if you see your original number, right, you see that down here you have 2 zeros. So from our previous videos, you see that you just move this to 2 places, right? And then this becomes 22, right? Okay, now let's do the second one. So you have 30%, so it's going to be 30 over 100 times what? $5, right? So then this is going to be equal to what? 150 over 100, right? And then if you see this, you notice that this is going to be equal to 1.5, right? You're just moving this to 2 places, right? So 1, 2, right? Because of these 2 zeros down here. Okay. And then you're adding this increased amount to $5. So $5 plus $1.50. So then this is going to be equal to $6.50. Okay, let's do the last one. So increasing $1 by 10%, so it's just going to be 10 over 100 times 1. So this is just going to be 10 over 100, right? And then you're going to move this to 2 places, right? So it's going to be 1, 2, another point, and 0. And then you add the increased amount to $1, right? And that's just going to be $1.10. And that's how you do these.